This video shows how to avoid a very common mistake when learning how to build an emergency shelter. If we were to tie directly on the tarp, like right here, what would happen is in really heavy weather, this, even reinforced with tape, will have a tendency to pull out and to destroy the grommet. So to prevent that, what we're going to do is we're going to connect the paracord to the tarp, but indirectly. That way, the paracord and the toggle act as a shock absorber. So if the wind's blowing, there's some give here and it is less stressful on the tarp. To tie the girth hitch, I'm going to take a bite of our paracord. I'm going to go up through our grommet like this, just like that. And we're going to put our pointer and thumb fingers through that bite we made, like this. I'm going to roll both forward, pulling the middles together and creating a pocket or a loop right here so I could put a toggle through there, just like this. So again, we're going to take a bite of paracord. We're going to go up through our grommet like that. Then we're going to put our thumb and pointer finger through the bite we've made. I'm going to roll my fingers forward and pull until I've created this loop. Take my toggle, put it in. The second method I'll teach my students for tying the girth hitch is what I call the butterfly method. So I will take my loop like that, and I will fold the loop on top of itself, creating what I call butterfly wings. Now, what the butterfly will do is she will flap her wings forward like that. Now what I'll do is I'll show you that created a loop. Toggle goes to the loop, down it goes. So now let me show you this with the tarp. So this bite simply went back over on itself like that to create a butterfly. And then I'll use the analogy that the butterfly flaps her wings, flaps them together like that. Now I've got my loop that we can put our toggle through. So I suggest that you practice both these methods to see which one works best for you.